capsule makeup base. So I just apply it with my hands. You know, my skin looks so bad today. That's why I decided to use this brightening makeup base. I'm gonna add more foundation. Look at how natural my tone looks like right now. I'm so excited to go on a date with my girl best friend. I really need to see someone. Whenever I have stress, I immediately get something like this on my skin. Like this really bad acne. And they don't go anywhere for a really long time. Now I am gently blending it into the skin. And that was the first layer of concealer. Now it's going to be the second layer of concealer. I have this ring. I have acne. Get rid of them, I really hate that. We love to organize such dates with my friend. Because we can literally talk about anything. It's pleasure time, it's a capsule blusher, look at this. Eyeshadow base, let me blend it. Literally look at my skin right now. Setting powder, I will apply it under my eyes. So that my makeup is not going to go anywhere. Nose contouring is my favorite part. You just draw this 2 straight lines. And then add this detail. And that's it. Oh, my nose is immediately like. I want to add a little bit of eyeshadows. Maybe some of these too. Over the blush, sure. That I applied my eyes, and it's gonna give like this. Beautiful graduation look. And now I want to finish my eye makeup with a mascara. I don't know about you guys, but I really love this detail because it makes my face look much cuter. And I feel like my eyes look bigger. Okay, this eye and this one. You see. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Mascara. Eye makeup is done. Eyebrow makeup is very simple. I just use this eyebrow gel. And that's it, highlighter. I always add it on my nose. On the tip of my nose and nose bridge also here. Now lip makeup, I really love to overline my lips. I want to go for a velvet lipstick today. Okay guys, this is my final look, and it actually took me like 10 minutes to do this makeup. And I think it looks kinda good. So I'm going on a date with my girls. Bye bye.